Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Do you know why a saint, a kid or a boy from a rich family stays happy always? Because they do not have any tension about anything. They do not have any attachment towards anybody, or they do not think about anything. This means that the less you will care, you will be able to live your life without any complications. In other words, it will become easy for you to live your life. Sometimes we think about the fact that he or she is not talking to me. We think about our past or our future. Yet all these things are not in our hands. That is, it is useless to think about all these. But still, even after knowing and understanding all these things, you think about them and you feel upset. The more you will care less, your relationship with your happiness will become more strong. But do not stop caring about your own self. But at the same point of time, it is important to free yourself from unnecessary and useless chatters and unimportant thoughts. Today I am going to tell you some words which nobody will tell you easily. I hope that you will like today's video. Actually, through words, the whole world can make you their own. The whole world claims to be wealthy through words. They claim to do something worthwhile out of their lives, but it is not within everybody's power to make it true through worthy efforts. This is why action is always more important than words. In other words, what you are doing is more important than what you are saying. Parrots chatter a lot, talk a lot, but the disheartening fact is that it is always imprisoned within a cage. But the silence of the eagle takes it above the clouds. Hence, only talking will not suffice. Whatever you are saying, turn them into action. Do something so worthwhile that the world says, "We only kept on talking, but this person did the real work." In other words, people will only keep on talking, but you will turn them into action. Hence, only focus on this fact that the sound of action is much more louder than the sound of your words. If you do hard work or you do smart work, always keep a check on your strength and affordability. This should not happen that while moving forward in life, your family is making you look small in front of everyone, or your friends are making you small all the time. Then your confidence level will end. I accept this fact that the words of people hurt us a lot. We do not come out of it easily. At that point of time, we lose confidence on our own selves. But only you know what you are. The others only see that which can be seen from outside. If somebody would not have drank coconut water by breaking the coconut, then till today people would have thought that it is a hard stone. We are the ones who are aware of the strength residing within us. For example, a boy wanted to go to the gym, but he was so thin that he used to feel embarrassed to visit the gym. He used to think that, how will he go to the gym? But one day he gathered the courage and visited the gym. After going to the gym, people there started making more fun of him. They used to compare him with a paper and used to say that he will fly in the air like a paper. Listening to all these, the boy used to feel very bad. Then one day, the boy lost his sense of hearing in a bike accident. Then the doctors advised him that he will have to do exercise to make sure that his hands and legs work. The boy again went to the same gym to do exercise. But this time he did not stop. Every day he used to visit the gym, and within a short span of time he achieved the perfect body. This happened only because of the fact that he could not hear anything. He never used to feel guilty because he could not hear anything spoken by anyone. Since he never used to feel bad, he never used to lose confidence. Confidence helps you to achieve all those things which is important to you. This is why always be aware of your power. After this comes living for yourself. If somebody does not care about the fact that whether you are staying or not staying, then keep yourself away from that person. If you do not feel like doing a certain work, then do something else. If you feel that you are not understanding anything while studying, then get yourself a good tutor. Always think about your happiness. Give the most importance on what makes you happy. Don't kill yourself from inside for anything. This life is hungry for a little smile of yours. This life will become more beautiful if you think about your happiness. The next thing which is important is you will have to live without any worries. It does not matter whether you have done any mistakes in your past or not. It can happen that you have lost any opportunity. Some good people has gone away from you. Those things that affect you, stop thinking about them. It is a big thing in itself that you have accepted all your mistakes. Otherwise, nowadays, nobody wants to accept this fact that he or she has some fault in his or her own self. Many times, certain things does not stay in our hands. Either those things are our childishness or we are not open-minded. We do not think anything on a large scale, and after that we feel very bad about it. We regret about that thing, but it does not matter what has happened or what has not happened. The good thing is that because of this you become mature with time. You see and understand your faults. This thing helps you to become big and great in life. Hence, only keep thinking about yourself without getting affected. Don't be shy to show your gratitude towards someone. If somebody comes forward to help you for anything, then be thankful towards them. Because in this world, there are many people who will sit on the gallery and watch the show, but there are very few people who will come forward and help you. This is the reason why you should not shy away to show that you are thankful enough. And the last thing is your words. Your words are like a key. It can open a lock for you and can also close another lock for you. Hence, think a bit before keeping your words in front of someone. People first get attracted towards you by your personality, but after that they get attracted more through your words. If you have power in your words, if you have a sort of individuality in your words, then your looks does not matter. People gets drawn towards you automatically. This is why keep notice of your words the most. You can forgive a person who had broken your trust, but trusting that same person again is foolishness. Don't forget that even if you wash a coal for 1,000 times, it still remains black. The most easiest work in the world is to steal in the house of belief, but its punishment is the toughest. The judge of this is the Creator Himself. So don't get impatient for justice, because during the hearing the judge stays shut. When the Creator fulfills our wishes, we get happy, but we should be the happiest when our wishes does not get fulfilled. because the first one is our wish and the second one is the Creator's wish. It is better to cultivate pearls in yourself rather than diving into someone else's ocean of blame. The wealth that comes from the path of dishonesty brings in unrest in our life. Honest path, simple life keeps you at peace. People inevitably do mistakes in their life. Somebody rectifies himself on his own, and somebody takes help from others to rectify it. But the charges of the mistakes he only has to count, even if the charges are temporary or for a long term. If somebody hurts you, do not feel sad about it. Rather think that the person has done a great job by hurting you, because such wounds are necessary to all of us, or else we will never be able to achieve anything big. That person must be thinking that he has done something good by hurting, because you have become weak. But you should make that person understand that you have not become weak. Rather, you have become more courageous. While walking on the path of life, such wounds are very much needed for us who excessively loves people. It helps us to identify the wrong people. These were certain things which were few of the most important lessons of your life. I hope that you have liked these words and have learned something good from this video. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.